Okay. Oh, here we have the T2. It's a new Scandinavian smartphone from the company Lumigon, based in Copenhagen. It's a really nice design device with some sleek, minimalistic look. Stainless steel on the side, bottom side as well, and the top. Gorilla Glass. It's the 3.8-inch screen. Sharp screen, and on the sides here we have the volume buttons, really nice, integrated in the black line here, the camera button as well. On the top we have the activity button, which is a button you can program yourself, either for one function for short press and another function for long press. For instance, the flashlight you can put into the long press. On top we have the infrared sender and the on and off button and the jack stick. The infrared receiver and sender is a feature we use for the remote control. I will show that in a minute. We have the mini USB down here and a nice back cover as well with the 8-megapixel camera and an LED flash. So let's have a look at the inside of the phone. We have the home button here. It's the Lumigon's own launch screen, but otherwise it's more or less a plain Android 4.0. To get into the menus, running really smooth. If we go into it here, you see we have our radio. It's our own FM receiver and transmitter that we have adapted to the phone, and the sound quality is really good due to the fact that we have the MS3 sound chip from Bang & Olufsen Ice Power. Makes the sound better, greater sound experience, but also more energy efficient. If we go back to the home screen, you see we also have a logo here called TV. It's for our remote control. It says the infrared sender does that you can actually use it as a universal remote control. It learns function from your remote controls at home, for instance for your Apple TV, for your video, for your TV as well. And then you can actually put in all the functions you use mostly at home. To turn on your TV, turn it off, select channels and so on. It also has this gesture recognition. So for instance, if you have the menu on your TV screen, you can just press it and then turn it up and down, and it will recognize your gestures and actually change the navigate in the menu this way as well. It goes side by side. So,
can you tell me about the hardware it has?
Yeah. Okay. Inside the phone we have the Snapdragon processor from Qualcomm, 1.4 gigahertz, and we have the sound chip as I told before. Otherwise, it's a nicely looking phone.
The storage?
Yeah, it's produced. It's produced in Copenhagen. Lumigon is a Danish company, and we have the design team sitting in Copenhagen. We did all the design here, which really integrates into the Scandinavian design traditions. It's being produced in China, but Lumigon is a Danish company, and that's where the software.
What is the storage of the phone? How?
Storage. Oh, yes. Sorry, storage. It's up to 32 gigabytes.
And can you extend it? Can you put inside an SD card?
Yes, you can.
So you can put also an SD card inside. Well, what is the price of this phone?
The price will be around €500 ex-VAT, and it will be available in selected markets in Europe and Asia during 2012. Yeah.
And what is the difference between Lumigon and other phone companies?
We don't really compare as much to the other companies. The others are really big guys, and we're just getting started now. T2 is our first smartphone on the market, and we're really looking forward to it. And we expect to sell a lot of phones, both in Europe and Asia.
What are your future plans?
Well, we will definitely have more products coming. We can't say more about that today, but stay tuned.
Or when will be the next phone launch?
I'm sorry, I can't comment on that yet.
Okay. I think that's all.
Yeah.